we're going to learn how to do this Catherine's wheel. Isn't it pretty? So the back side looks pretty much like the front side. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this. I am just using a medium 4-weight yarn, and I'm using a 5.0 millimeter crochet hook. You can use whatever yarn or whatever hook size that you would like. So to start off with our chain, we're going to do a multiple of 6. Okay, just put your hook behind your yarn and twist around to start your chain. Okay, and then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to do 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and let's do 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we need to add 2. 1, 2. Okay, so for our foundation row, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So there's the first chain, here's the second chain. We're going to single crochet in that second chain from the hook. Now we're going to skip 2 chains, 1, 2. And in this third chain, we're going to make 7 double crochets, which is going to be our shell. So yarn over, insert your hook in the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you've got to make 7 of these. So that was 1, yarn over, insert your hook in that chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so we have 1 single crochet, skip 2 chains, and we have 7 double crochets. Now we're going to skip the next 2 chains, 1, 2, and in this third chain, we're going to make a single crochet. And then we're going to keep repeating that. We're going to make another shell, skip the next 2 chains, 1, 2, and in the third chain, 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so we're going to skip 2 chains and we're going to work a single crochet. We're going to skip 2 chains. We're going to work 7 double crochets. We'll make another shell. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Skip 2 chains, and in this last chain we're going to make a single crochet. So we start with a single crochet and we ended with a single crochet. So there's row 1, or our foundation row. To start with this row 1, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn your work. Okay, so now we're going to work across the shell. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook in that first stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I'm going to do this 3 times. So yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Got 3 loops on your hook, and do it again. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 4 loops on your hook. So yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on the hook. So now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. So next we're going to single crochet in this next stitch, and we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to make a cluster again, but we're going to do it 7 times instead of 3. So yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That was 1, 2, just keep working through the stitches, 3, I'm going to work in this single crochet down here, 4, 5, 6, and one more time, 7. Okay, so now you're going to yarn over, and you should have 8 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 8 loops. There you go. And you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now you're going to single crochet in this next stitch, and you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, that's what it looks like now. And you're going to repeat that. So you're going to do your cluster again 7 times across here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, you have 8 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and go through all 8 loops. And you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to single crochet in this next stitch. Okay, so now that you're at the end, you're going to do a cluster of 4. So yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That was 1, 2, 3, and 4. Going to yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. Here's what the end of row 1 looks like, because that's your foundation row, and so this is row 1. So for row 2, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to turn our work, and we're going to put 3 double crochets in this stitch right here, the eye of the cluster. 3 double crochets. It's 1, 2, and 3. So that's what it looks like now. Now you're going to make a single crochet in the next single crochet, which is right here. Single crochet. Now you're going to make 7 double crochets in the eye of the cluster here. So 7 double crochets. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so you're going to make a single crochet in the single crochet. Then you're going to repeat that, put a 7 double crochets in the eye of this cluster here. Right there. 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so we're going to put a single crochet in a single crochet stitch. In this last stitch over here, we're going to put 4 double crochets. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. What it looks like now. Isn't that pretty? All right, so that was row 2. So for row 3, we're going to chain 1. We're going to turn our work. We're going to single crochet in this first double crochet here. And then we're going to chain 3. Okay, and we're going to work across 7 stitches here. We're going to make a shell, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. I'm going to do this 7 times. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You should have 8 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go through all 8 loops. Now you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we're going to put a single crochet in the next stitch here. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then you're just going to keep repeating. You're going to work across these 7 stitches here. You're going to make 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now yarn over and pull through all 8 loops. Chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. That's what it's looking like so far. All right, so now you're going to single crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3. And you're going to work across here again. Going to make another half of a shell here. 7 times, yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You're going to do that 7 times. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over and pull through all 8 loops. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a single crochet in this turning chain here. Okay, so that was row 3. So for row 4, we're going to chain 1, turn our work. We're going to single crochet in this first stitch here, and then we're going to work 7 double crochets in the eye of this next cluster right here. 7 double crochets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then you're going to work a single crochet in the next stitch. And you're going to repeat that all the way across. So 7 double crochets in that cluster right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Single crochet in that next stitch. And once again, in the eye of that cluster, you're going to make 7 double crochets. Okay, so we just made 7 double crochets. And so now you're going to make a single crochet, this last stitch right here. Okay, so that was row 4. So you just keep repeating rows 1 through 4. Not your foundation row, but rows 1 through 4. Just keep repeating those. And this is called the Catherine's Wheel. So hope you guys have fun with this. Look at that, aren't they beautiful? Okay guys, be sure and make some pretty things with this. Beautiful blankets and stuff. It'll be very nice. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.